Hi friends and welcome to my channel. So today the message that I have for you guys, okay, so let me just give you a little background why I made this video. You all are kind of asking me questions as to whether these hard drives that are found are real or not, the information that is coming out, are they, does this belong to our favorite soul or not, is this information correct or not, and you're asking me to make video on him and make. I can't do that. I can't do that unless he allows me to do that, and I am very crystal clear with that until he allows me, I will not do it, because that's not how I work. And because of it, if you guys feel that you should unsubscribe the channel, I don't mind that. It's perfectly fine with me. If you want that, you think that I should not you should not be on this channel, absolutely fine with me. If you want and if you feel like abusing me, absolutely fine with me. Nothing else matters to me than more than doing the right thing at the right time and when I'm allowed to do it. And one thing that I want all of you to understand is that it is very easy for me, right? I can make videos left, right, center. You will watch those videos, I'll gain subscribers, I'll gain money, everything will happen, right? Because you guys want the videos. Anything that is coming about it is good for you. So you're waiting for those informations to come out, and it's good for me, right? For me, I will gain everything out of it, but that's not how I work. So I'm not here to get more subscribers. I'm not here to get more money. I am here to just have you give you the right information at the right time in the right way, and I'm here to help you in your journey of awakening. So the channel that I made was not with the intention to give you any newses or connect with souls or do those things. It was just to help you understand what is awakening, and that was the purpose of him as well, right? If you understand, his purpose was to help awaken people, and that's the motive behind my channel. So nothing sensational is going to happen here, and I'm not going to do anything that I'm not meant to do. Yes, I understand your emotions, I understand your love, I understand your anxiety, and because of that, I promise somebody that I will try to take out some cards today so that you get some clarity and you get some positivity to move forward, or you know that things are happening. So I did that. I made the Hindi video and I've kept those cards for you guys to give you the information that I got from that video, like from that when I shuffled the cards that came out. And I'm going to shuffle one extra card for you guys, because you didn't see the shuffling and the cards jumping out. So just for that, I'm going to shuffle one extra card for you guys. Another thing that I want to tell you is that whatever is happening right now, it is happening for a good reason, and I still stand my ground. I'm still standing for justice. I will do everything that I can or I'm meant to do, but in the right way, at the right time. So the first card that I got is the card which says a change in the wind. It is card number 12. It is very, if you see the card, there is a wind that has already changed. So the wind is taking cycles. There is an angel that is sitting here, and it feels like she's sad, but there is something that is already changing. So a wind has started to blow, and that will probably give you some answers to the questions that you have with regards to information, with regards to things they are happening or not. So this card says a change in the wind. It says a sense that an unseen change has been initiated, preparation for a storm, awareness that your plans are not on firm ground, feeling a shift, uncertainty about which direction the wind will blow. It's human nature to yearn for certainty and resist change, to want the world to remain consistent like a zebra's stripes. Yet nothing in human experience is black and white, nor will anything remain static. The one thing guaranteed is change. Now is the time of transformation, as outer conditions are temporarily moving out of sync with your desires and expectations. Stay to the course and remember that even storm serves to clear the air, scatter seeds, and nourish the soil for better things ahead. Life is about to get interesting. Anticipate it with curiosity as you wonder what is coming in on the shifting winds. The unknown is where the magic lies. So basically the message that this card has, and this is very, very clear message, this is a good thing. So there is nothing to fear. Perhaps an opportunity you sought went to someone else. Perhaps you have pursued something that you suddenly realize is not for your highest good. You might not be 100% clear on where you need to go, but you are certain that things are not going as planned. Circumstances are not in your control right now. Wait it out. All will be well, even better actually. Trust. So basically the meaning of this card is that whatever is happening right now, maybe that's not 100% what it is made to told or what it is made to believe, but at the same time that is something that is sowing the seeds for the right thing to come in, that is sowing the seeds for the clear air after the storm, and that is actually creating the storm. That's what we are seeing, right? There is there is something that is created, that is being put out there, where everything is just becoming very like it's very stormy, it's very difficult, it's very there is movement and there is still not movement. So there is a lot of confusion that is there, but know that the wind has already started blowing, and whatever is happening, it is going to bring in the change, it is going to bring in the new growth, and new growth means the truth, the justice, the real thing. So you don't have to get into that zone where you have to judge it, whether it belongs, whether it doesn't belong, or whether you have to judge whether are we going on the right track, not the right track. Remember, one thing that I want to tell you is that one of the intentions of this whole thing was a cleanup, and whatever is coming out, if that's correct, that's going to help in the cleanup. So how does it matter where it belongs and where it doesn't? The surrender message that I got for you guys were two surrender message. One was surrender to non-action. It says, now is the time to be still and not act. Simply breathe and focus on your own power. Let others come to you. So the way I look at this card, because there is something like a unicorn thing is coming out from her head, unicorn horn, something like that. So this is about vision, this is about clarity. Look at everything, observe everything. Don't run behind things, don't try to judge the things, don't try to act upon right now, just absorb. That's the time right now for you. Second card is surrender to play. It says, take a break from overthinking a goal. Do something fun. Play is the time of recreation and rejuvenation. And when we are actually overthinking something, we are too focused on something, the thing doesn't happen because we are fearful, we are thinking negative, we are worried. When we are worried, when we are thinking negative, it will not happen. And that is why you have to take out some time to let go, not think about the goal, but just to observe and see what is happening around, what is the information that is coming out, how can that help us, how can that not help us. That's where you need to focus. So you don't have to focus on the questions that are not going to help you in any way. It doesn't matter where the informations are coming from, right? What matters is, are they correct? And if they are correct, and if there are proofs, that is a cleanup. So that is why you have to focus on that part. I also tried before, I've been trying to make the video from like last 1 hour, and I tried to take out cards in multiple ways to give you some timelines, to give you some answers, some yes, no. Nothing works. So the information only comes out as it has to, and I'm sure soon, very, very soon, things will clear, and we will have another video, like a full-fledged video. But remember that whatever if you go back, listen to the old videos, you'll see whatever he said is already happening. So be rest assured, justice will happen. I will still try to take out card for the timeline. I did take out for it on the Hindi video, and card just jumped away, but I will still ask the cards again if they can give you guys any timeline. It's angels. Okay, so the message that I am getting in my head is to give you the same timeline that says you are ready. So the cards basically look for a sign, no need to worry, recovery, the situation will improve, communicate clearly or clear communication, remain positive, there is something better within next few months. So see, the way the cards came out, you can rewind it and listen to it again. It is very, very clear that things are happening. There is no need to worry, and look for signs. There is recovery that is happening. Situations are going to improve. More clear communication is coming our way. Remain positive. Something better is coming, and it is within. And I kept asking, but Hindi video I couldn't find the timeline. But it is very near future. Like it's something next few months. Rather, I have always said that for me it never happened in June, it happened in July. So for me, I am waiting for more than June, I am waiting for July. So that is what I would take it as. And like I said, for you guys, I'm going to give you one extra card. So let me just see if I can get something from here. Angels, mermaids, if you can give any message to viewers. Okay, so at times doesn't happen in the way I So the two cards I have, Two of Pentacles, Five of Cups. If you see this person, there are cups which are going under the drain, down the drain, and this person is also kind of putting her feet in one cup and throwing it also into the drain. So but there is one cup that is still there, and there is still some juggling to get that cup there. I feel that you guys just wait for 2 more weeks, is how I feel it. This could be 2 months as well, but I feel that wait for 2 more weeks. Whatever information that is coming, it is like, you know, you're putting that liquid here, and you don't know whether there is going to be like a what do you call it, those turmoils, those the wind that kind of, so I'm not getting the name correct, but so basically there can actually be a storm that might start from here, right? So there might be a tornado that might just start from here, and that tornado actually clears everything out, because there is some information that is still there. You don't have the complete information. Wait for complete information to come. Don't keep on juggling, don't keep on struggling within yourself. Wait for the complete information to come, and when the complete information comes, that is when you will see the clarity. So I hope this gives you help. I hope this gives you positivity. That's the best that I could do, so I did it. Thank you so much. All the very best, and thank you.